Hey guys, Serge here, and in today's video I will show you backend and frontend of money printing infrastructure you have to implement today if you want to completely make life-changing money in the era and age we are right now. So it's pretty complex, but the amount of value is mind-blowing. So how it is working? Firstly, you're probably the owner of an agency, consulting, coaching offer. You just need a no-brainer offer. But I have recorded a video how to actually structure the offer in a way that no one can say no to. But how it is working? You have this, let's say, 2K month retainer offer plus setup fee. So you'll have the recurring cash flow into your bank account each month. That's how you want to position your offer. You don't want just to go only the setup fee. You don't just work only on the commission. You need to somehow get cash flow into your bank account each month. And then you just have to focus on delivering the results. So how it is working? In the front end, you have discovery calls. You just have to book as many calls as possible. You have to acquire as many clients as possible using different methods of acquisition. Whether you are doing cold calling, cold DMs, running content, you just have to get at least 5 calls a day, all the time. Your calendar has to look like that. If you truthfully want to make multiple 5 figures monthly, you need the oxygen, and the oxygen is just your appointments. And very important, you don't only want to have the appointments, because while you are actually hopping on a call, it takes you time. So that is why you need to build a system that allows you to not only hop on the meetings, close deals, spend time with people, but it actually also in the same time allows you to acquire new clientele. So that's why you need to build a system where you're getting tens of meetings every single day on autopilot. That's how it is working. And on the discovery calls, of course, you have potential partnerships. And as a consequence of your skills, so because you can sell, because you can talk to people, because you have no-brainer offer, and you can show in this short amount of time the value you are providing, you are closing deals. And what do I mean by great structure of the offer? You need to show black on white exactly what you will do, in what time frame, what if you won't do it, some mind-blowing guarantees, full refund plus 1K. Of course, like you will never meet the guarantee, because your service delivery also has to be the perfect possible. So of course, you will not only deliver the results, but you will also over-deliver the results. So what is my offer exactly for my agency in the real estate niche? I am guaranteeing them at least 15 qualified leads monthly. So 15 people who are ready to take action, who want to buy it right now. And out of this 15 qualified people, they will for sure close 2 deals first month. I also had last time dude who closed first deal after 1 week. So like, of course, it's niche dependent, because I am in real estate. Sometimes there's not always like getting new lead, closing them the same day. But in gym, dentists, chiropractors, med spas, roofing, landscaping, it's way easier to generate mind-blowing results in the shortest amount of time possible. So even here in real estate, the fact that I am able to retain my clients for multiple months and getting the cash flow every single month is just purely because you have to master service delivery. So even in real estate, you have to get them close deals in the first month. So let's just say you're generating just on the low end 60 leads monthly. Here is one of the screenshots of my Facebook management. In 27 days, I've generated 59 leads. Cost per lead is 790 Canadian, so around $5 a lead in real estate for American. So let's just say this 60 leads monthly. Of course, they need to qualify them. You don't want to get tire kickers, time wasters into the ecosystem of your clientele. You want to show them only qualified people who not only replied positively to your messages, but they want to buy house right now, sell house right now. Of course, it's niche dependent. It depends on what niche you're operating, but you have to make sure that you are qualifying these people. And as a result, 15 qualified leads monthly on a low end, just at least 15 is just the safety net. Of course, you will generate 20, 30, 50 qualified leads monthly even sometimes. And conversion rate in real estate is around 15% in the first month. So 2 clients, of course, niche dependent, because like in gym niche, when people see the advertisement, they might even go to the gym the same day and buy a membership the same day. So of course, it's niche dependent. I am just sharing you the numbers here. You need to track all the data. And because you are able to generate this mind-blowing results and your clients can see the value you are providing, and because of the system you've built and you are operating, you are generating multiple return on investment for your clients. It's very important, because no one will ever get on board with you for 3 months, 6 months if you cannot multiply their money. So they will give you their money. You will charge 2.5K a month. but as a result, you have to multiply their money. And as far as you're actually giving the value and you're able to make their money, you'll be also making money in a return. Like, it's inevitable to make money if you're making money to others. That's a skill set. Yes, you can master it, but once you actually learn how to do it, you will be never broke again. And because you're generating multiplier return on investment, you have happy clients, you have testimonials. Then you are, for example, doing upsell. So what I'm also doing right now is I'm telling them on a sales call, listen, I don't want to get you on the board like for this 6 months upfront. I just want to show you what I am doing for only 1 month. I want to prove to you that I am actually over delivering and you are the person that you can cooperate and have partnership with for months. So right now, I just want you only for the first month, just so I can prove myself to you. And then we'll go from that. I am 100% sure that I will deliver the results and over deliver and you will be happy. So then what you're doing upsell. You can sometimes, for example, go 2K every single month, but let's just say you need a cash flow right now. You need this chunk of money right now. What you can do, 4.5K deal for 3 months. So it's 1.5K cheaper. These people actually know that you can deliver the results. They know what you are doing. They trust you. It's more important. You've built the trust because you've generated these mind-blowing results, black on white, leads, no leads, clients, no clients. They can see it all. So it's way easier to get 4.5K deal after you will actually build the trust, after you will deliver the results. Of course, it's cheaper. It's 1.5K cheaper in their eyes. It's more attractive. They are willing to pay you top dollar just to partnership with you for like months and months. And because of that, also more time, more money. It is growing exponentially. It's compounding. Every single client that is trusting you, you will retain them for months. You are spending more time with them, and as a result, you are making more money. So lifetime value of these clients are like completely through the roof. It's phenomenal how much money one single client can pay you because it is just purely worth to them. It's worth to them to pay you 4 figures, 5 figures, because in a return, they are making multiple 5 figures, 6 figures. So just guys, make sure that you are not only getting new clients on board, but you are also delivering the results and retaining your current clients, because it's way easier to upsell someone in the future than to get new clients, because new clients don't trust you. They don't know you. And also here you have social proof. You can leverage this in the future. So once you have this testimonial of people saying, yes, XYZ generated me XYZ results in XYZ time frame, I am so happy with him. Here is the proof. You will get no objections on a call. It's more like this. The only objections you will get on a call is just the price objection. I don't have money right now. I have to think about it. So it's all about the price. They know that you can deliver the results. You just have to communicate and position yourself in a way that they have to hop on a call right now. You have to close them right now. And the social proof is attracting new clients. And then because also you have VSL, you have plenty reminders, closing rate 50%, no problem at all. Of course, VSL will filter out some people because, for example, they just want to work on a commission. They want to pay on the performance. So you will just filter out all the people that are not necessarily perfect for you. But this type of people you're hopping on a calls, 50% closing rate, 1 call close. You are just getting the details of the card, sending them Stripe link on the chat, onboarding in next 24 hours, generating results, lifetime value for the roof. Also, because you have phenomenal case studies, you will have referrals in the future. It will compound in the future because these 5 clients you have right now, they will promote your service. They will tell another agent. And that is why you have to also stick to one niche. You want to build your presence in one niche. You want to deliver the results in one niche because it will compound in the future. And if you're swapping niches, like let's say you are right now in a gym niche, they want to go into roofing, then you're losing all your potential clients in the future that you've gathered right now. So guys, stick to one niche because also in the future, you will be able to raise prices. You will be able to charge more because everyone knows that you can deliver the results. And in the beginning, yes, you might potentially hear more time no, but still because you are charging more, you will make more money. So you will have less headache, less people on board. But when you will have this outstanding amount of case studies, social proof, testimonials, even though you will raise the prices, it will just make your perceived value way higher. So you will even hear more yeses than before, just purely because you raised the price. Because your service is premium, your service is scarce. You have complete exclusivity working with only one client in one area. It builds urgency. And just as a result, guys, you're just working on a business, you are building infrastructure, you are building team around you, around your offer. You have high profit margins because your team is, for example, working a commission. In the description of this video, you can see completely free 30K month assets where I'm explaining how to keep high profit margins, and the value over there is mind-blowing. So you can guys check it out if you want. And you just then have to restructure offer to attract more high-ticket clients. So in the beginning, you were charging 2.5K. Right now, you are charging 3.5K because you can, because people want to work with you. And of course, this is the front end. And also you need a back end. And what is back end? Let's just say 2K month. You are getting on board clients who can actually convert these leads. So for example, in real estate, you want to get clients that are experienced, that are great communicators, that can actually close these leads. Because if not, then you can even get him 100 people who are just, yes, I want to close a deal right now, but because he is lacking some skills, because maybe he is like having some limiting beliefs, anything, he won't be able to close anyone. As a result, even though you've done your service, even though you've done everything correctly, he will be still angry, he'll be mad at you, he will even blame you for them not closing a deals, and then you will not only lose your reputation, but you will also waste time because you will lose this client in the next month, even though you've delivered the damn results. So get clients on board that you know the partnership is worth it. Because sometimes when you're this reliable company, you don't want to take on board everyone. You just want to be picky. You want to take this one experienced real estate agent who's been working in the real estate industry for like past 20 years, whose closing rate is 20%. And it just gives you this guarantee that if you will give him this qualified people, and you will, because you can do it, he will close them. And then he will going back there, happy client, testimonial, upsell. But here, after you close this experienced dream prospect, then you're just getting payment details. You got the payment, you got the contract, onboarding call as fast as possible, roadmap, correct expectations, show step by step what you will do, hook everything to them. So you just have to show what you are doing right now. It will completely change the problems they've had in the past. So for example, they were lacking qualified people. You will have this 5-step qualification process that will get rid of all the tire kickers, and as a result, you won't waste any more time in the future. You want to hook everything back to them. Why you are doing XYZ and in what way it is helping to solve their problems. You want to show them black on white, everything on paper. And after setting correct expectations after onboarding call, you have to set up the system that allows you to generate leads. I've recorded a lot of videos how to generate mind-blowing amount of leads and how to also qualify them in the future. And you are just right now using these proven methods of acquiring clients, and you want to do it as fast as possible. Faster the better. Firstly, because if you have a new client on board, you have to guys understand, he is not patient. He wants to see the results right now. He paid you this mind-blowing amount of value. You showed him this mind-blowing testimonials. So the perceived value is through the roof. So he wants to see the results right now. And you want to have your first impression as someone who is actually delivering the results right now. So you have to deliver the results ASAP. And because of that, it's also increasing the success rate, because you have this surprised client that actually is closing deals left, right, center. He's making money right now. He is surprised how fast and how great results you've got him. And then you are going back here, happy client, testimonial, upsell. So guys, as you can see here, everything connects to everything else. You need front end, you need back end, correct blueprint, correct expectations, leveraging social proof, sticking to a niche, having all the systems in place of acquiring clients, of retaining clients, doing proper service delivery, scaling. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. I know it was helpful. Now you just have to implement this knowledge, utilize this knowledge, and be ready to making mind-blowing amount of money. Printers will be on once you will actually implement this stuff. So guys, thank you very much for today's, and peace.